I'm getting bidders over here. Somebody's phone?
Okay, the phone has found its home. Okay, all right. This is red, 2587K, 98126A. And then they will go up against in blue, that's 98126B and no partner. So it's 2v1. Match 35 and autonomous, 3, 2, 1, go. So the DiscoBots have moved out. Missed with a cone. Oh, they put a cone on, but it does not score unless they put it back in the zone. Okay, no autonomous. Okay, 3, 2, 1, go. This is again 1 versus 2. Oh, he knocked it off. Oh. 2587K picks up a mobile base. Let's see if they can get that in that position. And they put it in the low. Trying to clear that room. Right now, red has a slight lead. Trying to add to it, just move it in from a 5 to a 10. And I believe he's done that. So red has a 10-point lead right now with 55 seconds to go. DiscoBots K taking a second mobile base into their scoring zone. They're going to line up for a cone, looks like. Counting down to that 30-second warning. Here comes a second mobile base there for red. Now 30 seconds to go. Red starting to build on that lead. Here comes the third base he's got in possession there. Working his way across that field. Lots of stuff in the way this year. 13 seconds to go. See what he decides to do. I think he's going to try to drive back to the 2-point base, to the parking zone. He does with 5 seconds. Both red are parked. So that should be an easy win there for the red.